The smallest and most portable X2 is the first X-frame electric bicycle from VanMoof that will be available all over the world. It contains the same technology as the straight-frame S2. Both models are being revised with a redesigned application of frame, screen, motor, battery and smartphone. They are also getting an improved security system that adds the integrated alarm and speaker that are already on VanMoof's non-electric smart bikes and an invisible stealth lock built into the rear hub. It's a big serious novelty. It's also very fun, I know, because I was able to take an Electrified S2 prototype for a test ride. First, a reminder, VanMoof electrified bikes are not cheap. The X2 and S2 will be listed at $3,398/$3,398, which will be discounted at $1,000/$1,000 for the first 2,000 buyers. But pedal assistance bicycles like VanMoof can serve as substitutes for cars for some city dwellers by greatly expanding the radius of what you would consider as a bicycle. In comparison, it is a much less expensive means of travel that also promotes a healthier person and planet. And if you do not want to buy a VanMoof directly, the subscription prices of VanMoof Plus for X2 and S2 will be announced later in the year.